Everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through running multiple Roblox accounts on your PC at the exact same time using a safe and verified method. The process is extremely straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's start. By default, Roblox only allows one instance of the game to run to prevent lag or farming. To get around this, we need a free tool from Microsoft called Process Explorer. Don't worry, this is an official Microsoft tool, so it is completely safe. Simply open your preferred browser, then search for Process Explorer. Open the first option, click on it, and the download should begin. Now simply extract the zip file onto your desktop. Click on Open, then create a new folder. Extract everything inside that folder, close the zip file, and open the folder. Inside the new folder, look for an exe called procexp.exe. Right-click on it and run this as an administrator. Hit Yes, and after that, click on Agree. A small window should appear in front of you. So now that the tool is open, we need to launch Roblox and find the specific code that blocks a second window from opening. Go ahead and open your Roblox account just like you normally would. Get into the game or stay in the menu. Just open the Roblox player. Wait for a few seconds. Now while Roblox is running, switch back to the Process Explorer window. In the top right search bar, simply search for Roblox. You should see Roblox Player Beta.exe appear in the list. Click on it once to highlight it. Now look at the top menu bar and click on View to make sure Show Lower Panel is checked. Once you've enabled that, go back to View. This time, hover over Lower Panel View and simply pick Handles. Now this is the magic step. We are going to close the specific handle that tells your computer Roblox is running. In the bottom panel list, scroll down or use the filter bar to find the specific handle named Roblox_singleton event. This is the very instance that is blocking your second Roblox account. Right-click on it and click on Close Handle. A warning will pop up. All you have to do is press Yes, and it should disappear from the handles list. With the barrier removed, your computer no longer knows Roblox is running, so we can open another window. Go back to your browser or your Roblox application, log out of your current account, and log in with your second account, or use a different browser profile. As you can see, I am currently running two different instances of the same account. If you want, you can also log out and it will still work. You can definitely log in with a different account if you want to. If you don't know how to open a second player window like this, it's very simple. Go to your browser and click on Play for any game. Make sure you are logged in with a different account, not the main account that is currently signed into your desktop application, but a different one. Click on the Play option, then open the game, and it should open a second instance on your computer. That's it. You are now running a multi-instance setup completely for free. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching, and take care.